Technologies are shaping the future and facilitating the gain information, pay bills, and communicate with each other. As a side effect, privacy becomes harder to protect. So, can we create an anonymous, stable currency? Can everyone obtain the same development opportunities? The answer is Forest, a new privacy cryptocurrency. Designed for anonymously and equally access to the crypto world. It frees every transaction of crypto world and vanishes the hegemony of data. It also arms us against information leakage. Driven by cryptographic algorithms and empowered by proof of works, Forest will create a global currency that is private, secure, and equitable for all. Its essence is to solve coin rotation paradox by controlling marginal cost and re-establish the reference and theoretical foundation of economics. No matter who you are and where you come from, you can join Forest through low-power devices and a computational democracy. Eventually, everyone participates in the process of creating a new currency. Forest believes that democracy can be achieved only when the power of creating money belongs to the public, which promotes the establishment of a perfect economic system. This is the Forbidden Forest.